Actress-vlogger Ivana Alawi revealed she had relationships before where she became a sugar mommy, as she has always been a giver. According to Merriam-Webster, sugar mama is a woman, often one who is married, who gives financial support to a typically younger lover. Recently, in an interview, famous actress-vlogger Ivana Alawi got real about being the sugar mama in her past flings and relationships. She became the sugar mommy when she chose to provide these men with financial and material support. In an interview, she looked back on these events in her life with mixed feelings, as there was a time when she was footing bills and showering her partners with presents. She was generous to them even without the official label. Opo, proud sugar mama, baklang bakla to. Hindi ko naging jowa. Yun nga masama, pero okay naman ako kasi mapagbigay talaga ako, mapagregalo, she said. This kind of attitude extended when she started dating someone from the entertainment industry. This actor was accordingly asking for watches, hotel accommodations, dinner dates, and even wines. She paid for everything. However, things changed when she realized that she deserved better and underscored that a person's financial capacity should not be taken advantage of. In a previous article, Ivana preferred dating someone non-showbiz. Na-realize ko, maganda naman ako. Hindi naman ako syoka, saka bagets naman ako, hindi naman ako matanda, so bakit mo ako pineperahan? Pero dapat hindi mo rin peperahan ang mga matatanda. In general, wag ka na mamera. Nasa relasyon ka dahil sa pag-ibig, hindi sa pera, she stressed based on an interview with Boy Abunda in his Kapuso show. What can you say about this? Let us know in the comments.